Guys, we're back with another video of the Magic Monkey, Magic Penguin, Mongo Fish, and Mongo Tadpole, but Mongo Tadpole isn't here, she's asleep. And this episode is going to be about weird sounds. And this is Magic Monkey's weird sound.
This is Mongo Fish's weird sound.
And this is Magic Penguin's weird sound. So yeah, this is one of our just short videos that we just wanted to make because we got bored. So yeah, like and subscribe.